Imagine ordering a package online, but instead of clothes or electronics, it's a hacking kit, a signal jammer, or even a credit card skimmer. And here's the twist. It doesn't come from some shady alley. It arrives neatly boxed, shipped by the same postal services we all trust. Welcome to the hidden world of the dark web delivery service. On the dark web, underground marketplaces thrive in complete secrecy, among stolen data and others. And a new type of shop has emerged, one that specializes in illegal tech gadgets. Here, you can buy devices designed to clone credit cards, hack Wi-Fi networks, or block GPS signals. Everything is listed like a regular e-commerce store. E-product descriptions, customer reviews, even discounts for bulk orders. But how do these packages reach buyers without being intercepted? The answer is surprisingly simple and terrifying. Criminals disguise their shipments as harmless electronics or spare parts. They use fake return addresses, neutral packaging, and even work with insiders at shipping companies. Some parcels slip through customs by being labeled as toys, batteries, or repair kits. To the outside world, it looks like a normal delivery. Inside, a fully functional crime toolkit. Police also tracked down several of these operations. Investigators found warehouses stacked with packages, ready to be shipped across the globe. In one case, officers discovered USB drives preloaded with malware disguised as promotional giveaways, and tiny card skimmers were hidden inside boxes marked as phone accessories. The scale was shocking. Criminals weren't just selling illegal devices. They were running a global logistics network, piggybacking on legitimate shipping systems. But every empire leaves a trail. Using digital footprints, undercover agents infiltrated dark web forums, traced Bitcoin transactions, and eventually identified the masterminds. Several high-profile arrests were made, and entire marketplaces were taken down. Yet, just like Hydra, cut off one head and another appears. The dark web delivery business never truly dies. It simply relocates, rebrands, and reopens. So, what's the lesson? The package at your doorstep might not always be what it seems. Criminals are exploiting the same trusted systems we all use daily, turning delivery trucks into weapons of digital crime. The next time you track a package, remember this story. Because in the hidden corners of the internet, someone might be using that same system to deliver chaos. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting information.